Hello, hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and guess what day it is? It's my birthday. It's legitly today. You say it's your birthday, it's my birthday too. And guess what? This is from Sabrina on day 7 of Sabrina and I's gift exchange for the next 10 days more, 10 more days. So this is day 7. Don't forget tonight at 7 Central, 8 Eastern, and da 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 da. I don't remember the rest of the times. I have birthday bingo on my channel. And guess what? I'm even wearing my birthday shirt. I'm wearing my birthday hat. Here's my hat. See, it's a birthday cake. It is so old. I bought this for my son when he was 16, when he had his 16th birthday party. And I've been around for many years. It's all clowny walky. So, but guess what? I wear it for my birthday. So let's see what day number 7 is on my birthday from Sabrina. Her and her tape. Look at all the tape on there, guys. She does not want me to get into these presents. I tell ya. Oh my god. Okay. I'm ripping. It is a Christmas ornament. I got Christmas on my birthday. It's funny. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. There is something in it. I don't. Oh. My house is scarier than yours. Too funny. So that is my 7th gift on my 7th birthday. My 7th gift on day 7 on my birthday. I'm getting Halloween and Christmas. That's funny. So I thought this was so cute when she got this in the Michael's grab box. I'm going to leave that up. I'm going to hang that in here. My house is scarier than yours. I'm going to find a spot and leave this hanging in my craft room all year long. This I'm going to put with my cup. And I'm actually going to put my cup in there and pack it. Hi. How are you? So thank you, Sabrina. I love my gifts. Happy birthday to myself. And I hope you guys enjoy this little gift giving. It's fun. And as always, see you tonight, guys. I hope you'll be at my birthday bingo. Like I said, 7 o'clock Central Standard Time, 8 Eastern. I can't find my piece of paper. All right, pull it. I don't know where I put it so I can hold it up. Oh, I don't know where it went. Oh, I'd show you. No, that's not it. But I hope to see you there. Well, out to school and Google what time it is, if it's 7 o'clock Central, what time it is where you live, and come and join my birthday bingo. I will see you tonight. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.